Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if today is your first time coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Rebecca. Please do not forget to click on that subscribe button and also turn on your notifications so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload new video. So guys, in today's video I will share with you how I made this yummy tasty Nigerian fish rolls, and if you like to see how I made this, please keep watching. So to begin, I'll start by preparing the filling, and I'll be using mackerel fish. You can use any fish of your choice, and I will season with salt and seasoning cube, garlic powder, nutmeg, black pepper, and chopped onions. Then I will add water, and then cover to cook. In a bowl, I have 3 cups of flour. I have butter, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And I have already chopped green pepper and red bell peppers. I have 2 eggs, one for making the dough and the other one for egg wash. Here I have milk. And full list of ingredients will be in the description box down below. So guys, right now the fish is already well cooked. And I'll go ahead and start deboning the fish. And to my old and new subscribers, and for those that have not yet subscribed to my channel but you watch my videos, thank you all so much for your support. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for your time. I really do appreciate. I can't thank you guys enough. You guys are so wonderful. Thank you. After deboning the fish, I will go ahead and use fork to match it, and this is how it will look like, and I will keep it aside and add oil into the pan, then follow with chopped onions. And for this recipe, you don't need much oil to make the filling, so I will stir fry it. And after that, I will add in chopped Scotch bonnet peppers. I use 3. And I will add in the chopped minced peppers. And if you don't want to use this, you can skip it. So I will stir fry it for about 3 minutes, and then add in the mashed mackerel fish. And after that, I will mix very well to combine. Then I will taste. You will notice I have not added any other seasoning cube or salt. So right now, I will go ahead and add a little bit of seasoning cube and a little bit of salt. So because we don't want it to be too salty or we don't need it. So let everything just be incorporate. And I will leave it on a low heat for 2 minutes. After that, the filling will be ready. Then I will set it aside. To the flour, I will add in the dry ingredients. Then give it a good mix. And I will add in the egg and butter. And if you don't use butter, you can use margarine as well. And I will mix thoroughly to combine. So now we'll go ahead and add in the milk. And as for the milk, I will be adding it little by little. And if you don't want to use milk, you can use water as well. Now the dough is ready. I will go ahead to cover and leave it to rest for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, I'll bring out the dough and cut it into 2 parts. And if you don't know, we are making 2 methods, which is the frying method and the baking method. And I will start with the frying method. I will have to cut it into small sizes. And after cutting, I will keep them aside and start rolling and adding the filling one by one until I get to the final parts. After adding the filling, I will have to close the mat tightly. I have to seal it tightly because I don't want it to open when frying it. So we don't want it to open, so we have to seal it tightly. And now we have to repeat the process once more and then move to the other step, which is the baking method. Yeah. Next, I will be making the baking method. And now we have to divide the dough into 3 parts. Then roll it out. And after rolling, I will cut and give it a square shape. And those ones I cut out, I'm not going to throw them away. I will add them to the other ones. I will go ahead and cut it into 3 parts. And after that, I will transfer them into the baking pan and brush with egg wash to give them that sparkling look. Then bake 150-degree in a preheated oven. Now they are all nicely rolled out. And I will add them into preheated oil and stir consistently on a low heat until it turns golden brown. So right now, we pack them into a paper towel to drain out excess oil. And I'll repeat the process until I get to the final part. So, which will you prefer? Is it the baking one or the frying one? For me, they are both delicious. Seriously, they are both delicious. I can't even choose the one I will eat. I will eat from this one, eat from this one. They are both delicious. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, do not forget to like, leave a comment, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Put on your notifications so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload new video. Alright guys, I hope to see you all in my next video. For now, bye and stay blessed.